Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to replace your ignition coils and your tail the Yaris sedan 2007 to 2012, and I brought 4 of them OEM ones. So alright, so as you can already see, that's the part number. This is all OEM ones. You can't go with NGKs, and you could go with MSD and another good brand I can't think of the name of, but I'll list them below. So I need 10 mil. You're gonna take out the 2 at the bottom, well, in the front of the appearance cover, and then the 2 at the top. So shit. And then you want to take out the 10 mils on top of each ignition coil. So and you want to do this when the car is cool. And whenever you change an ignition coils, it's best to replace all 4 at the same time, which I'm doing in this video. There's nothing wrong with these, it's just over 100,000 miles and I'm going for performance, so I'm replacing all 4. So I'll start with the first one. Open the car. First one out, and then press down this clip. Let me do it at a different angle. There you go. Then get your new one. You can tell the difference. Level discoloration and all that. Same part. Well, it's OEM, so yeah. Alright, put the old one back in here. Select a new one. Pop that in. I'll go to the second one. Well, next one. Little gasket came off. Alright, got your next one. And do the third one. The clips is a little hard to get off. So, by the way. This one's being a pain in the ass. There you go. And then finally, the last one. Let me get these out the way. And then just put the screws back on each ignition coil. Make sure it's lined up before you do it. These typically last 100,000 miles or more. So it should be good. The way, a couple ways you can find out if they're failing, if you having misfires, slight loss of power, and a few other things. I'll put everything in the description. Trying to hurry up before it start raining again. I wanted to do this yesterday after I changed the CV axles, but I had to wait for the car to cool down, and I ran some more errands, so didn't have a chance. You want to just make these snug. Don't want to over tighten it because then the bolt head would snap, and then you gotta do bolt extractors and all that other crap. So save yourself the headache, just do it snug. Then just put these on. everything by hand. Hand tighten first, that way you're not cross threading or none of that stuff. And that's it. It's about, I say this job is about like, I say about 10-15 minutes. How long has it been? Yeah, right on the money. 10 minutes and 35 seconds. Remember, you want to do this when the car is cool. You don't want to be trying to change ignition coils while the car is hot or cooling down. You will burn yourself. So that's it for this video. That's how you replace your ignition coils. I went with OEM for now. Later down the line, I might be upgrading some more powerful ones. Something like MSDs I'm looking at, and I can't remember the other one. It's like $745 for all four. It's high spark. It's ignition coils. Some company, I can't remember, but I got it saved on my phone, so I'll put it in the description. But if you got a fully stocked car, go with these, the OEM ones. They made by Denso. You could go with NGK ignition coils and a few others. I'll post the part numbers for those too in the description. So thanks for you guys for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.